The Red Sox will go for win number 92 on Wednesday night when they close out their two-game set with the Miami Marlins at Fenway Park. The two teams took part in a wacky game on Tuesday night, the Sox allowing 5 runs in the 8th inning but eventually scoring on an error in the bottom of the 9th to win 8-7. With the W, they snap a 3-game losing streak. David Price will take the mound for Alex Cora's club. The lefty is on fire. In 6 starts since the All-Star break, he is 4-0 with a 1.09 ERA. He'll be up against righty Trevor Richards, who is 3-7 with a 4.23 ERA on the season. First pitch is scheduled for 6:35 p.m. with pregame coverage beginning at 5:30 on NESN.